Are you planning to move to the UK or already living there on a visa? Big changes are here, and they're making things a lot tougher for immigrants in 2025. From higher visa fees to strict new work rules, these updates affect students, skilled workers, families, even long-term residents. In this video, we'll break down 10 major changes to UK immigration rules in simple English, with real-life examples and tips to help you stay prepared. Let's get started. Number 1. Elevated salary thresholds for skilled worker visas. From May 2025, the skilled worker visa salary minimum jumps from £26,200 to £38,700. That's a huge leap, affecting roles like care staff, junior tech workers, and hospitality managers. Even being £500 short could cost you your visa or lead to forced departure. If you're earning £30,000 as a restaurant manager, this change could threaten your entire life in the UK. Renewals will also need to meet the new threshold, regardless of years lived legally in the UK. Employers are being urged to adjust wages fast, but not all will. If you're close to the threshold, act now. Speak with your employer about a raise. Check if your job remains on the shortage occupation list, which still allows lower salaries. Keep detailed records of salary changes, promotions, and skill upgrades. In this new system, even small pay differences can determine your right to stay. Number 2. Termination of post-study work visas. From September 2025, the UK is ending the post-study work visa, also known as the graduate route, removing the 2-year window for graduates to find work. Without sponsorship, you'll need to leave within 60 days of finishing your course. No grace, no second chances. Many employers avoid sponsoring new grads due to costs, meaning even skilled students could be forced out. This impacts your future, not just your job prospects. If you're studying now or about to graduate, begin job hunting early. Don't wait for your course to end. Apply 6 months before graduation. Focus on companies that are licensed to sponsor skilled workers. Attend job fairs, build networks, and take internships seriously. Once you graduate, time moves fast. Preparation and early action are crucial to avoid being forced to leave the UK before your career can begin. Number 3. Stricter family reunification requirements. Bringing family to the UK gets harder from May 2025. Sponsors must earn at least £38,700 annually and prove financial stability over 5 years. Freelance work, contract gaps, or unstable income may now disqualify you. The Home Office also demands more evidence of genuine relationships. Basic photos or chats won't suffice. Expect to provide joint finances, leases, and cohabitation proof. Children over 18 must show dependency beyond education. Small errors, like a missing payslip, can lead to rejection, often without appeal. Critics say these rules split families unnecessarily. To avoid heartbreak, start preparing documents early. Keep organized financial records, show consistent employment, and retain evidence of your relationship. The bar is higher than ever, and mistakes, even minor ones, can cost you the chance to live together in the UK. Number 4. Increased visa application fees. Starting July 2025, UK visa fees rise sharply, up by 20% to 35% across most categories. A skilled worker visa will now cost around £820, and a partner visa could exceed £2,000. Add health surcharges, biometric fees, and translations, and the total cost becomes overwhelming, especially for families. Bringing a spouse and 2 kids? Expect to pay over £10,000. Late or incorrect payments can result in instant rejection. No warnings. These fee hikes apply to new applications, extensions, and even settlement. The government claims it will make the system self-funded, but critics argue it's becoming unaffordable. Plan your finances early. Budget for everything, including hidden costs. Double-check forms and payment confirmations. One small financial slip-up could delay or derail your immigration plans entirely. Number 5. Mandatory English proficiency tests for more visas. By late 2025, stricter English language testing will apply to most UK visas, including family sponsorships and skilled worker applications. Previously, only select visa types required testing. Now all applicants must pass higher-level tests in reading, writing, listening, and speaking, regardless of how long they've lived in the UK. Take Alina, a chef in London for 5 years. She uses English daily, but now must pass a formal test or risk visa denial. Tests cost £150 to £300, not including prep materials or travel. Failing means reapplying and paying again. No experience or years in the UK will exempt you. Critics say it adds pressure on already stretched migrants. If English isn't your strong suit, start preparing now. Consider taking classes, practicing with sample exams, and budgeting for test costs. Your language skills may now directly impact your right to stay. Number 6. Reduction of skilled worker shortage occupation list. Come August 2025, the UK will slash its skilled worker shortage occupation list by nearly half. This list used to help migrants apply with lower salary thresholds and easier routes, but now many roles will be removed. Care workers, chefs, and hospitality staff are among those affected. Only senior or specialist positions may remain eligible. IT support and lab tech roles also face removal. This means you might now need to meet the full salary threshold, with no discounts or relaxed requirements. Officials say it boosts local hiring. Critics warn of staff shortages. If your job is currently on the list, check its status immediately. Future eligibility may disappear overnight. Gather documentation and consider other roles or industries if needed. Visa routes are shrinking fast, and reacting early could make all the difference. Number 7. Expanded deportation powers. From September 2025, UK deportation rules will tighten dramatically. Minor offenses like traffic violations or breaching visa terms can now trigger removal, even without a conviction. A suspended sentence of 6 months is enough to start proceedings. Immigration officers can detain individuals for 60 days without a judge's approval. Appeals will be fast-tracked, reducing preparation time. Even long-term residents with UK-born children are not protected. For example, Rohan, who lived in the UK for 12 years, nearly got deported after a workplace visa issue, despite resolving it. New algorithms may flag people for deportation, increasing the risk of error. Tip: keep your immigration documents up to date. Save all communications from the Home Office. One missed deadline or small infraction could trigger serious consequences. If notified, act fast and get legal advice immediately. Number 8. Longer waiting times for permanent residency and citizenship. Starting late 2025, most migrants will need 6 years, up from 5, to apply for indefinite leave to remain, ILR. For family roots, the wait may stretch to 10 years. Applications will involve stricter life in the UK tests, deeper checks on absences, and higher fees, over £3,000 in total. Even after a decade of living in the UK, paying taxes, and raising a family, you might still be told you haven't integrated enough. Many feel like they're constantly starting over. To prepare, start gathering your ILR documents at least 2 years in advance. Track travel dates, employment, and residence history carefully. The rules are getting tighter, and failing to meet them, even slightly, can delay or deny your application. Planning ahead is no longer optional, it's essential. Number 9. Student visa crackdowns and restrictions. UK student visa rules are changing drastically in 2025. Dependents will be banned unless you're in a select postgraduate field like medicine or PhDs. Work hours will also drop from 20 to 10 per week, making it harder to cover living expenses. Worse, with the post-study visa ending, most students must leave 60 days after graduation unless sponsored. These changes make the UK less attractive compared to countries like Canada or Australia. Universities are already seeing a drop in international interest. If you're planning to study in the UK, consider the full cost without part-time job income. Look for degrees that offer sponsor-linked internships or lead to fast employment. Planning your education now means planning your immigration future. The UK is tightening the rules, and there's less room to adapt after you arrive. Number 10. Health surcharge hike and NHS restrictions. From October 2025, the Immigration Health Surcharge, IHS, will double, from £624 to £1,250 per year. That's £5,000 over 4 years for one person. For families, it could exceed £15,000. Even with this fee, some migrants may face limited access to NHS services. Trials are underway where visa holders must pay extra for non-emergency treatments like mental health care or fertility services. Miss or delay your IHS payment, even accidentally, and your visa could be cancelled. No warnings. To stay safe, pay the IHS in full and early. Keep your receipts and request confirmation from the Home Office. Some migrants are now getting private health insurance as backup. The IHS is no longer just a payment, it's a high-risk gatekeeper to your visa and healthcare rights. These new UK immigration changes are already affecting thousands of people in 2025. Whether you're planning to move or already living in the UK, staying informed is key. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more updates on immigration, travel, and visas. See you in the next video.